sixth graders. It's good to draw for you today.
Yeah.
We are going to do a zebra. And it's, I don't know, I just think this looks really pretty. It lends itself well to watercolors. If you don't have watercolor paper, that's fine. You can color it in with pencil, crayon, or not. It's completely up to you. The first thing I do is I do a border. And I'm gonna move my example up just a little bit so I can kind of come over here and have some more space. Because I've got tripod legs right here that hinder my drawing a little bit. Okay, so, all right, so what I do is I have a straight edge, and I just go ahead and I use a straight edge to create a frame. Don't freehand it because it's not going to be, it's not gonna work. Okay, none of us can really draw straight lines straight with our free hand very well. Not even me, okay? So that's what I would suggest. So I've got that. Do you want to use that? You know, there's tons of books and stuff over there too. The edge of a book looks really, is a really good way as well. Okay, so we're gonna move on. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with the snout of the zebra. So what we do first is we're gonna do a rectangle, or actually it's more of a square now that I think about it. And it's gonna be, the bottom's gonna be open, and I'm doing it right about here on my paper. If you haven't noticed, our paper is in the portrait position. Okay, so just like that. All right, so I'm doing that. I did an open-ended
square.
So now we're going to do a curved line that comes down about here. Again, this is kind of an open-ended oval or circle. Then we do two curved lines here and here. And then I do another curved line over it, just like that. All right? I'm going to show you closer what I've done so far. Ta-da! Yay, those are the nostrils. Okay, we're going to, from the side of our nostrils here, we're going to do a curved line and then another curved line, the same one but on the other side. Pretty easy, yeah? Okay, I come out, I have an easier time doing my lines from the drawing from the top down. So I am going to leave a space. I'm going to come out a little bit, and I draw a straight line down, and then it curves to meet this bottom curve that we did. So I'm doing that same bit on the other side, okay? Now I'm going to do two eyeballs on either side. So zebras have their eyeballs on either side. Why do you think, Lucas? What's your best guess?
I think it's because of like they're hunters. Well, they're not hunters, but...
So the zebras are not hunters.
No.
But they want to
eat. Well, oh wait, watch out for predators.
They want to watch out for predators. I was waiting. I was like, you know this. So do a curved line out and another curved line out on the other side. And then you do the bottom part of a triangle. So it's a sideways triangle. So two angled lines that end at a point, okay?
Kind of like an ice cream cone.
Yep. So now if you need to, you can come all the way up here, put a little dot, and you're going to, where we ended this line, we skip our eyeball and then curve to meet that point. We do that same bit on the other side. Just like that. Are we seeing that? Great. Okay, so they have a little tuft of hair. I curve up, and I meet that with a curve at a point. Just like that. It's funny. So the ears, if you want to do easy ears, which are just triangles, you can, but really they're more of a curved shape. So I'm making what looks essentially like a leaf. I curve out, I start to go into a point, and then I come out just a little bit. And I do that on the other side. So I do the same little bit on the inside. The same, I'm recreating that same line but smaller on the inside. I'm going to do another ear on the other side. Just like that.
Perfecto.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So let's get a neck in. I want to start where this cheek comes out. I just do a straight line down on either side. Pretty easy. Okay, so now for the stripes. They have a nice, long, thin diamond. So I come out with 2 angled lines about like this. And then I come back down to a point. It goes all the way down to this part of the nose here. Okay? So then these 2 stripes, I do an angled line this way, an angled line that way. We're making this symmetrical. This zebra is symmetrical, so it's going to be the same on either side. And then I bring the line down. It's another angled straight line. I do the same thing here. Okay, and now I want to have that line have width. I'm going to come down with a straight line on either side, and then bring that angled line down until it comes to a point. Ta-da! Okay, so now for these stripes. Again, you can do as many stripes as you want, but I curve back. I go in the direction of the shape of the face. You kind of have to think that it's rounded, right? So round those up. Just make sure that you make it symmetrical. That's the same on either side. You can go with it. I'm just creating curve to a point, curve down. I'm hoping I'm not blocking with my head. Sometimes I worry that I do that. And then I watch the video, and usually I don't at all. I did once, but it was only for like 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see. I'll do another stripe down here. Boop, boop. Remember, I'm doing kind of curved triangles here. Down here at the neck, I just do straight parallel lines. Remember that it is symmetrical again. So they meet in the middle right here. All right. Cute. My zebra's a little off center, but that's okay. I also do like a little stripe, a little bump around the eye. I kind of missed that, the first part. It's just a curved line up, a curved line down on either side. And you can do a highlight on their eye. So their eyes are just black all in there. It's like one big giant pupil, okay? So you'll color that in. I want you to get a horizon line. So the horizon line is going to be about 1/3 up off the paper. I make it a gentle horizon line, not a straight one. I have 2 trees on either side. I was making it look symmetrical. You don't have to. I was doing kind of those trees that you see in Africa. They come out wide like this. So that's why that shape is the way it is.
There's like, speaking of trees, so sometimes Mom and I go on walks after dinner. Well, Mom always goes on the walk.
Yes.
And there's like there's a tree, and like, I don't know what it's called. Like, the bark peels off.
Oh, the madrona trees.
The madrona.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah, the bark peels off and then it's red underneath. It's kind of reddish. So around in your border, you're going to want to do some sort of pattern. I did, with this one, I did a zigzag pattern on the top and the bottom, and then dots on either side. And then I colored in either side with black. So I kind of mimicked the black and white color of my zebra on my borders. And then I watercolored in the background. Again, you don't need to watercolor, but it is kind of nice to have some bright, beautiful colors to make this black and white pop. Okay? I can't wait to see some of these, so email me your project as soon as you can. All right, have a great day, 6th grade. Bye. Bye.